No words. We're here. I'm here. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Gates don't open till 9. I don't care. I am beyond excited. Not sure what emotions will come out. Might sound a bit corny, fogging up because it's humid and cold and warm and all the good stuff. All the good stuff. It's the quote of holiday. Yes, can't wait. Been waiting a long time for this. Let's get in line. Let's get it. Thank you.
Welcome to our Naka Transport Experience. Thank you.
Morning.
Welcome.
This is insane. It's the Falcon, baby. That's the Millenium Falcon.
Yeah, the girls want to see this.
Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come. Oh, the Millenium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expedition. You got my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance. I get all the profits. Wow, the first caller will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. This is Gabriel, remember. Better.
Not a pilot, but with a gunner. Woo. Oh man. This is incredible.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I don't belong to you just in case.
My friends, come on in, buckle your seatbelt.
younglings.
Oh, we're gonna get a selfie in here. Gunner, right there.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
I don't have a gun, I don't know what to do.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble.
What do I do?
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Where?
Ready? Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Okay, right there. How do we shoot? Oh, okay.
Left pilot, in the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Here we go, light speed, go on.
Light speed. Jump to light speed.
Three. Jump. Yes, keep shooting. It's not on to us. Thank you, that shot. We need to defend ourselves. Here we go, open fire. No, I'm going to say it is. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance are already made something of unknown. Pilot, line up behind the train. We can operate that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Runners, shoot the train. Yes, keep flashing those controls. Repeat shooting. I think I will let you tell the Come on. Hold on. Things are getting We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! It's collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Yeah! You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough. Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
Wow. It was great ride, great simulator. Obviously, if you're a Star Wars fan, it adds that a little bit of edge. Can't wait to do it without filming it though. So I'm gonna have a bit of an explore, and then let's get at it again. Gunner, that was fun. Hot shot as well. I need to let it all sink in and go on it again before we can give the proper review. But first thing, absolutely loved it. Brilliant. Wow. Let's just take in its beauty. Oh my god. Can't believe I'm here, man. It's so good.
Oh yeah.
So good. We have some First Order. The guns, man. So cool. Checking that dude's backpack. Okay, so did Smugglers Run twice. Bought some merch. Had a wander around. It's really crowded in at the moment, so I haven't filmed a lot. I wanted to take it all in first. But oh my god, it's spectacular. I can understand what people are saying. It's just like a shopping mall for Star Wars geeks. I'm not going to spend loads now. Well, I did spend loads, but I'm going to spend more. Have another round in the evening time, hopefully when it's a bit more quiet. But yeah, first impressions, incredible. So I'm going to go back to the hotel now to drop all this off, and then come back and do all the Toy Story bits. Let's go. Chewie repairing something. Well, the X-Wing. Here's the entrance to Rise of the Resistance when it opens. There's people outside, can't be long from opening now. So that was a whistle stop morning to Galaxy's Edge. My initial reactions, thoughts. It's brilliant, the theming is excellent. I was quite overwhelmed with it, to be honest. I haven't really taken it all in. Had a good whisk around, done a bit of shopping, been on Smugglers Run twice as an engineer and a gunner. Oh,
welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney.
Okay.
We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Nice stop. Okay, thanks very much for that. So we're in the Skyliner, as you can see. We'll do a time lapse of this video. I think Lucy's going to come this way. She'll probably pass me. But anyway, I'm rambling. So yeah, Galaxy's Edge is really good. It does need Rise of the Resistance because unless you're a Star Wars fan, your attention there is very minimal. Lots of shopping to do. But once you've done that, then what else is there to do there apart from take loads of pictures, which I've done in abundance. So unfortunately we won't be here for Rise of Resistance, which is a shame. I've kind of got my fingers crossed for a soft opening because it's only a few weeks away from opening. Right, so if you enjoyed it, thanks for watching. There'll be more Galaxy's Edge throughout the vacation holiday, so put your comments and all that below if you liked Smugglers Run as much as me. And see you again soon. She's doing well.
We are now gliding over.